I say hello, 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 hello. You can't do what I do, that's just something you...
Help me, Dad! Help me! Help me! Daddy, help! Help me, Dad! Help me, Dad! Help me, Dad! Daddy, help me! Daddy, help me!
I'm coming! Wait for your dad! Okay, stand up! Stand up! Yeah!
Another joke!
Another
Daddy!
joke!
Another
Just
joke to
joking!
Daddy!
Joking
Another
time!
joke to Daddy!
Bilang magulang, sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam ng kasama mo sila. Nakakalaro sila, nayayakap mo sila, at habang bata pa sila, sulitin natin. Dahil darating ang araw na sila ay lalaki, tatanda na, at di na pwedeng gawin halos nung bata pa sila. Kumpara sa pagtanda nila, limitado na at di mo na halos magagawa ang treatment mo sa kanila nung bata pa sila. Kaya sulitin natin ang bawat oras habang bata pa sila.